Tell us how you really feel.
Who's the stupid motherfucker that wired this goddamn plug? GM never does that. They always stick the colors the same. They've crossbreeded everything here. What are they trying to say? Black wires matter?
Yes.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Every wire, the only one that's correct is. And why did they keep violet together, but nothing else? Or they call it purple. One thing calls it violet, and the other one calls it purple. Why are you filming me? This is bullshit. I'm gonna break the fucking camera. Dick, quit it.